Julio, July. Julio, Julio, July. Ang Julio ay ipinangalan kay Julius Caesar na ipinanganak ng Hulyo. July is named for Julius Caesar who was born in July. Ang Hulyo ay ipinangalan kay Julius Caesar na ipinanganak ng Hulyo.
Damit pampaligo. Swimsuit. Damit pampaligo. Damit pampaligo. Swimsuit. Puting damit pampaligo. White swimsuit. Puting damit pampaligo.
Agosto, August. Agosto, Agosto, August. Ang paaralan ay sarado sa Agosto. The school is closed in August. Ang paaralan ay sarado sa Agosto.
Next is snorkeling, meaning snorkeling. May magandang snorkeling spot sa Coron, Palawan. There is a nice snorkeling spot in Coron, Palawan. If you want to go to a beach in the Philippines, please go to Palawan because it's very beautiful. Okay, the next one is tabing dagat, meaning beach. Nakatira ako malapit sa tabing dagat. I live near the beach. I feel like it's peaceful and you could hear the waves crashing. Let's just hope that it's not a huge wave crashing into your house. Yeah, beach. Bikini, meaning bikini. Bihira lang ang nakabikini sa beach sa Pilipinas. It's quite rare for people to wear bikinis in the beaches in the Philippines. I never really tried to count who has bikinis and who has swimsuits and who has just t-shirts and shorts. Everyone is free. Shades. Shades actually means sunglasses because it shades your eyes from the sun. For example, pahiram naman ng shades mo. Can I borrow your sunglasses? Salamat!
Maglakad sa beach. Maglakad sa beach. To walk on the beach. Maglakad sa beach or to walk on the beach. Nakita ko si Nino at Ninya na naglalakad sa beach habang magkahawak ng kamay. Nakita ko si Nino at Ninya na naglalakad sa beach habang magkahawak ang kamay. I saw Nino and Ninya walking on the beach while holding hands.
Aren't they like siblings?
No, I think they're just meant to be together. So again, if your name is Nino and Niña and you're not siblings, you're meant to be together. Let's just make it clear, right? Yeah. And then you can walk along the beach, right? Holding hands. But this is also but if you are in the beach, right? With your, on the beach, with your girlfriend or boyfriend or any other loved one, it's time to hold their hands. And be romantic.
Kabibe or seashell. Mahilig akong mangolekta ng kabibe. I enjoy collecting seashells. Why though? Sunblock or sunscreen. Kailangan maglagay ng sunblock dahil hindi maganda sa katawan ang matinding sikat ng araw. It's necessary to put on sunscreen because the strong UV rays is not good for your skin. Yeah, this is very important because the sun could be very damaging to your skin.
Pakwan. Watermelon. Pakwan. Pakwan. Watermelon. Pakibaba ang presyo ng mga pakwan. Please lower the price of the watermelons. Pakibaba ang presyo ng mga pakwan.
Okay, next is beach chair, meaning beach chair. For example, ayokong lumangoy kaya doon na lang ako sa may beach chair. I don't want to swim so I'll just stay by the beach chairs. Jet ski! I'm not even saying the meaning for this one. Cause you know what it is. Mayayaman lang ang nakakabili ng sariling jet ski. Only those who are rich can buy their own jet ski. Yeah, cause it's expensive and you don't need it for daily life. Chinelas or flip-flop. Hindi na kailangan magdala ng sapatos pag pupunta sa beach. Chinelas na lang. There is no need to bring shoes when going to the beach. Just wear flip-flops. Chinelas is part of like Filipino culture. It's like the footwear you use at home. It's also the footwear that parents might use if you're being naughty.
Maaraw. Sunny. Maaraw. Ma-a-raw. Sunny. Maaraw sa syudad. It's sunny in the city. Maaraw sa syudad.
Hunyo, June. Hunyo, Hunyo, June. Kami ay magpapakasal sa Hunyo. We are getting married in June. Kami ay magpapakasal sa Hunyo.
Aircon. Air conditioner. Aircon. Aircon. Air conditioner. Tuwing tag-init, ang aircon ay buong araw na bukas para lagi kaming nasa lamig. On a hot summer day, the air conditioner works all day to keep us cool. Tuwing tag-init, ang aircon ay buong araw na bukas para lagi kaming nasa lamig.
Salaming pang-araw. Sunglasses. Salaming pang-araw. Salaming pang-araw. Sunglasses. Murang mga salaming pang-araw. Cheap sunglasses. Murang mga salaming pang-araw.
Araw, meaning sun. Mas gusto ko ang araw kaysa sa buwan. I prefer the sun to the moon.
Mag-hiking. To go hiking. Mag-hiking. In English, to go hiking. For example, we can say, kung gusto mong mag-hiking, siguraduhin mo muna na kaya ng katawan mo. If you want to go hiking, make sure your body can handle it. So now it's very, what they call this, like a thing for young people to climb Mount Pulag, which is the third highest peak in the country. According to Google, it's in Nueva Vizcaya, which is in a bit north of Manila.
Swimsuit, which is definitely has the same meaning as swimsuit. Bawal ang hindi naka-swimsuit sa swimming pool na ito. Those who are not wearing swimsuits are not allowed in the swimming pool. I just come in with like t-shirt and shorts. I can't go in. Okay, the next word is puno ng niyog. Coconut tree. Noong bata kami, mahilig kaming umakyat sa puno ng niyog. When we were young, we liked to climb the coconut trees so that you get the coconuts.
Init. Hot. Init. Init. Hot. Ang init sa Pilipinas. It's hot in the Philippines. Ang init sa Pilipinas. Araw. Sun. Araw. Araw. Sun. Ang araw ay isang bituin. The sun is a star. Ang araw ay isang bituin.
Beach volleyball, meaning beach volleyball. There's an easy one for you. Beach volleyball ang usong sport kapag tag-init. Beach volleyball is a trendy sport during the summer.
Tabing dagat. Beach. Tabing dagat. Tabing dagat. Beach. Maglakad tayo sa tabing dagat. Let's walk on the beach. Maglakad tayo sa tabing dagat.
Paglangoy, swimming. Ang paglangoy ay kayang matutunan ng lahat. Swimming is a skill that everyone can learn. I still have hope.
Dumalo ng summer school. To attend summer school. Next word is dumalo ng summer school. To attend summer school. So in Filipino, you can use it in a sentence like, kaysa sa maglaro ka lang ng computer sa bahay, mas mabuti pang dumalo ka na lang sa summer school. Instead of just playing computer games at home, it's better if you attend a summer school.
Matinding init. Extreme heat. Matinding init. Matinding init. Extreme heat. Iwasan ang matinding init. Avoid the extreme heat. Iwasan ang matinding init. Tag-araw. Summer. Tag-araw. Tag-araw. Summer. Mainit na tag-araw. Hot summer day. Mainit na tag-araw.
Mag-relax sa beach. To relax at the beach. Next we have mag-relax sa beach, which means to relax at the beach. Abril ang buwan na pinakamainam na mag-relax sa beach. April is the best month to relax on the beach. So actually for this month, it is now something like 30 to 40 degrees, and April and March are considered the hottest months in the country.
Sandcastle, which means sandcastle. Hindi ko na-enjoy ang paggawa ng sandcastle nung ako ay bata pa dahil parati na lang itong inaalon ng tubig. I never enjoyed building sandcastles when I was young since it kept being washed away. Like, I never really built sandcastles when I was young. It's more of like, let's bury someone in the sand. Yeah. And make like mermaid figures of them. Yeah, you get what I mean.